Hey everyone, this is Works for Tools. I'm Eric. Welcome to the channel. Olsa Tools sent us this 7-piece metric slim profile open-end wrench set. There's a mouthful. Here's the sizes and the part number 1253. And they're made in Taiwan. So they asked if I could use some wrenches or some ratchets, and I said I've been looking to get a set of slim wrenches, and we'll show why later. So here's the set. So it's 7-piece, but it has 7 it is through 19, and these are super thin. I can't believe how thin these were, which means maybe a little flexible, but you're not going to use anything this thin on anything that tough likely. So for some comparison, this is the 19, and we have a 19 gear wrench. Regular 19 gear wrench, a little bit of a glare. And you can see the size. And then we also have a snap-on 19. So you can get an idea on the slimness of these wrenches. Thought we'd compare a couple. So the 13 right here on this side, pretty thin. They're super shiny, so that's them compared to a snap-on. And then even an 8mm, I have a gear wrench ratcheting one and a snap-on 8mm. And the 8mm on this one, the open end, the other side's a 9mm. You can see how very thin these are. Pretty cool set. I look forward to really putting them to the test. All right, let's just see how they work. Here's why I wanted these slim wrenches, because on some brake jobs, the caliper slide bolts need to be held on the other side like this. So it works real nice for that.